what's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing like a little collective haul. It's going to be really quick, but I got some things in from different people. I got a PR package. I also got something in from one of my Sun Rays, and then I ordered something, and I showed you guys this jewelry that I ordered in one of my vlogs, but I didn't share it here on my channel, so I wanted to share that with you as well and let you know about all that. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys are the products that I got in from PR, and it is the 3-step system from Luss brands. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of Luss. It's a minority owned company, and they reached out to me and wanted to know if they could send me their products for me to share with you guys on my channel if I so desired. They also sent the GL as well. So basically what they sent me was the kit to do a wash and go. So I got the sulfate free shampoo, I got the silicone free conditioner, I also got the all-in-one, which is the 3rd step. This is kind of like their styling cream. So this is usually what people would use to get their wash and go, and they gave me the kinky coily cream. So they have the cream that goes for like curly wavy and then kinky coily. They sent me the kinky coily to make sure that it would work for my hair, which I do appreciate. And then they threw in the Love Your Curls Irish Sea Moss gel. So this is their gel, and it is a thinner consistency, so we're going to see how it is supposed to work, and it is for a medium hold. So if you see here, it has 3 little boxes and 2 of them are checked, so it is a medium hold. So yeah, I do have these. I will be trying these out, and they said that basically, you know, they just wanted me to try them. They did not ask me to share them with you in exchange for the product or anything like that. They said try them out. If I love them, feel free to share it, but it wasn't mandatory. I didn't have to, and if I didn't care for it, I didn't have to share it or whatever. So I'm going to try it out, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion on the products. And let me know if you guys have tried Luss brand. This is the Love Your Curls line. And I believe Luss stands for Love Yourself. I believe that's what that stands for. So I'll give you more information on that at the time that I use the products. But I'm sharing these things with you guys because I know I said that I was going to be showing you what my stash looked like since Black Friday, and showing you what I used up and everything. And some of this stuff is in. It's going to be new. It is going to be on my shelves as well. So it's still going to look like my shelves are somewhat full. But I just want to let you know that how I got these things and why they may be in a different section. Any new things that I got in since I did my Black Friday haul is going to be in a different section, so you guys can really get an idea of, okay, this is how it looked right after Black Friday, and this is how it looked now, excluding this type of stuff. Okay, so just want to bring that to you. The next thing I want to share are the products I got from one of my Sun Rays, and she knows who she is, and she sent me the swirly curly system. So this looks like it is a 4-step system as well for curly hair, and this is also a Black owned company. So she sent me the Mango Moringa shampoo. She also sent me the Mango Moringa conditioner. I also got a styling cream, the same scent, as well as the gel, same scent. So yeah, got these. Never tried swirly curly, have heard of them. I hear more about their little ties for the hair. I believe they're called the Snappy or something like that. That was going around for a while. A lot of people really love those, but I don't really see anybody, or I haven't really seen anybody do reviews on the actual hair product. So she sent it to me. She likes it, so I'm going to see how it works on my hair. So I'll be trying those out soon as well. Be on the lookout for that review. Thank you, Sun Rae, who sent me those. Like I said, you know who you are. And then last but not least, what I wanted to share with you are the pieces that I picked up from a jewelry brand. It's a small owned business. It is called Her Golden Empire. And I shared this on my vlog when I went to the post office. These were there. So I was looking for some new pieces, just some statement pieces, and I picked these up. I heard about these from Aisha the Great, I believe is her name. I believe her handle down there, but she's on Instagram, I believe, as well as YouTube. I saw her showing some of her products. I believe this company sent her some products and she was showing them, and I like some of the pieces, so I decided to pick some up. So this is the chain that I picked up. So it's pretty thick. It's thicker than any other chain that I have. It is a hefty weight. I have worn it already. I wore it to my aunt's birthday party, so you'll be seeing this on me in a upcoming vlog. And it has a really nice clasp, strong clasp on it, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it breaking or anything. But yeah, I like it. I wasn't planning on wearing it today, but I'll go ahead and put it on so you can at least see how it lays on the neck, and it's really nice. There we go. I believe this is 16 inch, and it's just the right length that I wanted, because I wanted something right up here above my collarbone, and I wanted to be a statement piece for when this is open. I have this laying on my chest, so I like it, guys. Again, it's called Her Golden Empire. I also at the same time ordered these earrings that I have on. If you can see, they're really nice as well. They are gold here at the top, and then they're crystal here at the bottom, and they're kind of like not necessarily round, but kind of a rounded and then square at the same time. Shape really cute. Hadn't seen anything like this. I thought that they were unique. Again, a statement piece, so I bought these, and they are really light. When you look at them, they look like they're going to be heavy, but they're really light on my ears. They're not pulling on my ears at all, and I like them. They would look good with pretty much anything because they are clear, so they can go with pretty much anything. Again, I wore these to my aunt's birthday party. I wore all white, and I put these earrings on with this necklace, and it did exactly what I wanted it to do for that particular outfit. It wasn't anything dressy. It was an outdoor affair that we were having. So what I had on was somewhat casual, but this kind of took it up a notch, so it did what it was supposed to do. The next thing I showed you in the car was the bracelet that I ordered, which is this one here. So it's like a 2-strand bracelet, and then it had this little chain, dangly chain hanging on it. And I said in the car that it was too little for my wrist, so it is. It's pretty tight on my wrist. And I said that I would reach out to the company to see if they had a bigger size. And I did reach out to the company, and Danielle is her name. She was so gracious, and she apologized for the size. She asked me to pick something else and said that she would send me a free gift as well. And I wasn't expecting that at all. I was just expecting her to maybe exchange it for a larger size. And because I told her, I said I wasn't sure what else to pick as far as a bracelet is concerned, because she didn't have the sizes on there. I didn't know if something else would be too small, so I told her just to send me what she thought that I would like, and that's what she did. The turnaround time was so fast. She sent me handwritten notes in both my very first package, basically thanking me and everything, and then the second note came in the second package just saying again she apologizes for the bracelet not fitting. And then she sent me a new bracelet as well as a free gift, like she said. And she said basically to reach out if I had any other problems. Guys, if that's not customer service, I don't know what is. She never complained. She never said, well, you know, you should have made sure it fit. None of that. She just said, sorry, let me get you something else. And it came right away. So this is the replacement bracelet that she sent me. This is more of a herringbone bracelet, again in gold. Very nice. It has a, I believe, 1-inch extender on it, so it definitely does fit my wrist. I actually have been wearing it, but I just took it off to show you guys the bracelet. So I usually wear it over here with my watch, and it looks beautiful with my watch. and I've worn it in the shower and everything on accident. I forget that it's on there because it's so light and it has not tarnished, so that's great. And then as the free gift, she sent me these earrings, guys, and I will link all this stuff down below with the names of the items that she sent me. But these earrings are very similar to the ones I have on. They're just more of a rectangle shape, so they have the crystal on the outside. These do have the gold going all the way down, where mine that I have on just have the gold right at the top. So they're somewhat different, but they're very similar. And she probably just decided to send me these because I had ordered these, so she thought that I would like these, and I do. They're just a smaller version, basically, with a different shape, but I think they're beautiful. And I have worn these as well. So yeah, guys, that is it. I believe this is a Black owned brand, woman owned. It's definitely woman owned. So this is a minority owned company, or a minority owned brand called Her Golden Empire on Instagram. And that's at her website as well. Again, I will link her website down below to get you right to the site if you wanted to pick up anything. But if you have been wanting some statement pieces, something different that you're not going to see anywhere, if you have been wanting to support another small minority owned business or brand, then this is one that you can get behind. The customer service, like I said, was impeccable in my opinion, especially being a small owned brand, because sometimes with them being small owned, they don't accept return because they're small, you know. But she didn't hesitate at all. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Danielle over at Her Golden Empire, and I wanted to bring these things to you. So that is pretty much it. I told you it was going to be short and sweet for this small haul, unboxing, collective haul, whatever you want to call it. But I did want to let you know that I had gotten these things in, and that these products would be coming up in future videos. And then I wanted to share with you a brand. So, oh, this hair is a twist out. I'm not going to go into detail in the description box like I normally do about what I use, because it is a brand that I'm not featuring on my channel any longer. So I'm just going to say that. But yes, it is a twist out. It's first day twist out, so it hasn't really gotten bigger, but I do want to let you know that. So that's it, guys. If you like this video and you like this type of content, please hit that thumbs up so that YouTube knows that you like these type of videos. Also, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you don't want to miss another upload from me, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.